Look at Bitcoin. Look at the Bitcoin. Popping. She up hard and I ain't stopping. Bitcoin, BTC, crypto mania is going ham. It's been a wonderful week in the stock market, the crypto game. Everything is looking lovely. Did anybody see that Bitcoin hit that little dip? A little cup in the handle. It was actually a big cup. I don't know if they can handle this. It was actually a real big cup and handle right there. That's where you put the cup at. And she dipped down over that 41. Look where she at now. She up there at 42. Looking lovely. Oh, Bitcoin looking lovely up there at 42,500 for the day, night time. Crypto watching and this Bitcoin. Can get on here. The options is going ham. Oh, D-Wack on them options. We got the what else we had? Nvidia. That was a double up. That was a double, almost triple up. That Nvidia. Yes, sir. Good morning. And it's a good night for crypto investors. Y'all. Is you invested in that crypto? Is you invested in that Bitcoin? Or are you sitting back and just watching your money being spent on bills and everything else, not investing? If you is, I don't know what's wrong with you. Better go and get into this investor game. Better get into this crypto game. It's going to be the new digital currency. Couple of years. We ain't going to be playing with that cash money no more. We're going to be playing with digital. We're going to be, I see a little percentage of that Bitcoin for that. They're going to be charging water for Bitcoin. Give me a little piece of that Bitcoin for that water, for them groceries. I'm be paying my bills with Bitcoin. It's already happening now. You don't see all them Bitcoin ATM machines? They there. They around. And they keep growing. It's just the beginning. The government already got their own USD coin. You see they trying to manipulate the system. They want to let you feel and think that, crypto, Bitcoin is only used for illicit activities. You know what I'm saying? Only folks only up there is just doing negativity with the Bitcoin. But at the same time, we making our own crypto. And at the same time, we approving Bitcoin. Come on, man. You don't see the game. If you don't see the game, you don't know it, then I don't know what you're doing. You better get into it and don't be manipulated by the system. Because they out there to trick you into not getting this money. But it's out there. It's a big ocean. Multiple oceans of money out there. I got my ring detection coming up on my camera right now. As you see people just moving out, you gotta watch what's going on. You got like stock market and the crypto game, you gotta watch what's going on. And if you was watching, I seen that dip. I seen the little cup and handle earlier when she was about right here. I said, oh yeah, when she hit that about mark right there, I said, oh, she finna handle. She finna handle. And then, what she do? She handling. She up there past my little low previous levels right there that I had set. And she up there, she looking real good. And it's Sunday early morning. Oh, we looking good for a beautiful crypto weekend coming in for the beginning of the week. But Nvidia call options was nice. I had got some call options on that HUT 8. Oh, it's gonna be looking lovely. Bitcoin go ahead and do his thing. HUT 8 gonna do his thing. I'm trading options with the crypto stocks Okay, so Hut 8, I got some options on the Hut 8. And if Bitcoin keep doing this thing when Hut 8 hit that Monday morning, oh, cha-ching, money in the bank, shout out what to think. Invest that money. Get it. I'm getting notifications letting me know that Bitcoin is popping. I'm getting notifications on my cell phone. I'm getting notifications on the YouTube. Hey, everybody know that Bitcoin is doing this thing. And you add, you buy low, you sell high. You decrease your cost average. If you bought it above 40, I don't know what you was doing. You came late to the party. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna take a while. Like my man say, you can't just get no returns no 11 days. You can't just get no returns in no 11 days. You can't do that. You see that? You can't get no returns in 11 days. You can't get no returns. That's big facts. You can't get that. Let me turn this so the people IG can see. But you can't get no return in 11 days. You think you're gonna go ahead and buy crypto and tomorrow you're gonna be a crypto millionaire? You a fool? Go ahead and give your money to everybody else. You might as well go ahead and just donate your money to society if that's what you think. That you're just gonna magically gonna be a millionaire in 2-3 weeks, 1 month, when you only need to put $5 in it. Oh man, I get all kind of messages. Folks be talking about, man, what's the plays? How you gonna ask what the plays is? Man, you ain't even invested $5 to $10. You don't even know what the play. You don't even know what a play is. You're playing with yourself and you're playing with your money. Don't play with yourself or your money. Invest that money. I'm the motivator, the money motivator, options trader, and crypto, man, aggravator right now. Crypto aggravating the haters right now. Where Gary at? Where Gary Gensler at? I know he hating. I know he hating. I know he mad. I know he hurting, boy. Man, why is crypto going? It's only used for the negative, elusive activities. Oh, yo, believe that if you want. Crypto making millionaires. These young folks getting into the game. Is you? That's the question. Is you? Or is you gonna be late? I think I said my mic might be a little too loud up over there. I just came late to the party. I supposed to made a couple of videos about the options trade update, but it was good if you're here, if you happen to know and seen some of the other videos, and the video did good. Yes, sir. Double up. Oh, double up. On the video, I ain't got my pictures. I was supposed to have my pictures and everything with the video. Bow, there you go. Oh, but you won't see it. It'll be there when I remake it. But the video options did good. I got some Hut 8 options. It's a crypto mining company that's actually following the same pattern as Bitcoin. Mining, crypto, Bitcoin, same thing. So when Hut 8 went down, I was just waiting, watching Bitcoin too. Oh, when I see it make that maneuver and do that maneuver, she ready to go to the top. Oh, it's time to put in them call options. And just like betting that you believe Bitcoin is going to go that way. But as far as stocks, you know what I'm saying? You can do the same thing with crypto. You know, it's so many ways to make money. You can even sell options. You ain't got to be no buyer. You ain't got to try to buy for the low and sell it for the high. You can be a seller. You can be an option seller. You get you 100 plus of them contracts, you can sell options of a stock. So like that Hut 8, actually I ain't adding up on Hut 8. I'm adding up on was it BTBT. So I'm gonna try to use that as an example on how to sell options for the option traders out there. Cause BTBT is a small stock. I think it's only what $2 some child, trying to get it for like I wanted like under like $180, $2. Didn't get it that way, but we get there. And where she at? She hit the 280 mark. I was trying to get it down here low. Well, I can go back. That's way back, but I was trying to get a low right down in that under that 240. When she go back to her normal $5 and some change. You dig? $5 and change. What's 250 plus 250? 550. 50%. I'm trying to make it simplified because folks act like it's so complicated, it's so hard. You got children out here investing, man. You got little kids out here investing. And folks act like it's hard, it's complicated. And it's not complicated, it's not hard. This might look a little crazy what I'm doing if you don't know what you're looking at, but that's just, you ain't got to, man, if you follow and get an understanding of the game, you don't have to necessarily watch this. You can do long-term investing, dividend investing. There's other ways. You ain't got to sit here and watch it every day, every night like me. I'm addicted to it. I love it. I'm watching my money. I need my money to make other money. My money got to make moves. My money can't just sit back and just in the savings account giving you that 0.08%. That's what they give you in the savings account, 0.08%. Do you know some of these investing accounts you can put your money in and they giving you 3, 4, 5% just for holding the money in the investing accounts? Come on, man. Get into it, find out how to do it if you want to do it. But if not, then you're going to just keep on making the same. Whoa, that's not the right one. That's not the right one. Ain't even the right one either, but we don't matter. It was still Bitcoin sitting at $42,500 on this Saturday night. A lovely weekend banging decision for the crypto investors to start really putting that money. Bitcoin is actually have been getting the billions and billions and billions of dollars being put into it, taken out, put into it, taken out. And what happens when you keep pushing and pulling somebody, they're going to snap. And that's what she's doing right now. Oh, she snapped. I told you she going to snap. That's what she doing. She going to snap. When you keep pushing and pulling somebody, she going to snap. Pop. That's what she going to do. She going to hit somebody. Either going to hit low or she going to hit high. And right now, Bitcoin want to hit high. Okay? That's what she want to do. She didn't want to hit low. She want to hit high. She want to go up there to the top. So hopefully that Hunt 8 is going to just boost on up there so I can get out my call options and then get back into it again. And then once Bitcoin hit that top, you do the opposite. You put the put options on them things. You sell when it hit the high. Around in the high, you have a designated area, a designated target point, a percentage, a game plan. Get your game plans on. You can't invest just investing, just saying I'm investing. They say invest in Bitcoin. I see everybody say Bitcoin. I'm investing Bitcoin. I'm buying a little Bitcoin on Cash App. You goofy. Don't do that. Don't do it. If you do, you're a fool. You just, don't do it. You got to know what you're getting into, what you're investing, why you're investing, have a plan. I'm going to get out here. I plan to make 20%. I plan on doing this within a certain amount of time. If not, you got even safety measures to help you keep those plans intact. They got safety measures out there. Stop loss. Limit orders. That means like right now, if you asleep, and you say, I bought Bitcoin at 20K. I know for a fact I want to make double my money. So when Bitcoin hit 40K, I'm going to sell. So you can say a Bitcoin 40K. So now Bitcoin hit close to that 40K. You say, you know what? I might want to let it go a little further. Trailing stop loss. It's a certain percentage of the option or the stock that trails your gains. So like right now, you had to look 5 or 10% under there. It's gonna keep going up. Your money gonna keep going up, and then once she hit this little spot right there, pow, she sold. She gone. Your money in the bank, cash out, take your profits. Please take your profits. If you got profits, take them. And if you don't know how to and where to, that means you didn't have a plan from the beginning. So you got to have that plan, that game plan. Get a little music. Let me see what I got going on. The message, he say this week we earning about $100 million a day on short liquidate. What them liquidations is ridiculous. The liquidations is coming in just billions and billions and billions and billions and millions and billions. It's always liquidated. Go ahead and do what it do. go ahead, because you really do nothing but put money into Bitcoin and it's circulating around into Bitcoin. That means more money is getting to Bitcoin, more investors. I just got a message on my watch telling me that crypto.com just added 150 million new crypto investors. 150 new million in a couple of days. Crypto.com. Oh, that lets you know something. That means everybody kind of own it. But with that ETF that came and showed and let you know that we about to explode. And that's what she's doing. She exploding. I'm loving it. I'm watching it. Let's get into some crypto news for this live stream. While she pumping, she just moving. So I don't even want to turn the screen, really, to be honest. I just want to sit right here, get me some popcorn, and just watch Bitcoin and pull up my account. You know what I'm saying? See, I got to get myself together. I need to have my account where I can watch it. I can't be focused on YouTube and my money at the same time because I ain't getting paid for YouTube yet. That's why y'all need to go ahead and like the button, like it, subscribe it, share it, even though I know I only got one viewer per streaming service right now, but who gives it? We in here Bitcoin watching, my crypto account watching. I appreciate the support out there from Marvay 2.2 with the messages and that crypto love for the night, because she doing her thing. Boy, I don't even want to look at my account right now. I want to see what she gonna look like later on. Still, I got a plan, and my plan is not your plan, so you can't go off of my plan. Get a game plan, get an understanding of the game. I'm here if you need me. Try to give it to you so you can receive some of this investing money. See up here, all that's money. You know, folks that made millions of dollars within that. Don't you want to get a little piece of that? Don't you want to get a little something of that something? Don't you want to get a little something? Ain't you tired of sitting back working? And them folks at your job, they don't care about you. They want you to keep working. They don't want you to get no Bitcoin and become no millionaire. They don't want you to be no entrepreneur. They want you to keep working, get that overtime, and come back and work again. But I'm working on this. Okay, work on your own future, your own investing. But Bitcoin is looking good. Let's get into the crypto news for the live stream of the Bitcoin. While she popping at 42K, passing 788. Get the little pressure pulled back. That's nothing but a little build it down. She can't go too fast and too strong like that all along. That's what she's doing. Bitcoin, the volume is up there right now. That's like actually got the wrong setup over here, but we ain't gonna get into the volume. But let's get into that crypto news. Crypto is going mainstream. Okay, well, to get the news right. Oh, I got all kind of news. There we go. Wow, crypto is going mainstream, which means it's over. I told you gotta get in before. You don't want to get in too late. You see them folks that told you it's going mainstream, which means it's over. That means it's over for that new money and that fresh money. It's gonna circulate back around again, but best believe it's folks waiting for that Bitcoin to hit that mark and pop. And once she pop, everybody gonna be coming trying to get it when it's 50,000, 80,000, and them. Oh yeah, and what we gonna be doing? We'd have been sold 2-3 times. That's what real investors do. You sell it and you're gonna get back into it again and do it again. Let's get back into this crypto news for the night on the live stream. We got two big things happening in the crypto world this month: a public validation and semi-private snub. Both of them bodes poorly this future. Now, the official validation came in the form of a SEC approval of the Bitcoin ETF, which makes it easier for speculators to invest into Bitcoin. You hear what me say one more time? Bitcoin ETF, which will make it easier for speculators, which means non-believers and people on the sidelines, to invest into Bitcoin. And when more people invest, the more valuable it comes, the more popularity. Now you got everybody on that whole, I ain't finna be the one without no Bitcoin. I ain't finna be the last one without no Bitcoin. Yeah. And then when that happens, we talking about a tsunami wave, baby, just like the AMC and GameStop, which I don't want to go too far into that because you had a lot of haters stopping and blocking my money on that too, but I was deep in. But that's what's gonna be the same thing. And you don't want folks to be, you don't want to be that last dude trying to get that Bitcoin last minute. Talking about some, man, everybody been talking about it for a couple of months. Now let me get some. Goofy, no, you should have been got it. You should have been got some of that. It's out there. And in the news right here now, the slight came in this year's World Economic Forum, which I attended. It wasn't me. I'm just reading the message. You know I'm reading. But Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies really was clearly on the outs. Last year, crypto was everywhere. I'm talking about everywhere. It's finna be everywhere soon. Okay, this year, the star of the show was AI. AI technology is definitely boosting and moving the crypto. Some of these stocks, that's why I did the call options on the video. You look at AMD looking nice. AMD just pumping. You got Google pumping. And you even got Apple. AI. Apple ain't talking about it. They ain't got to be sitting letting everybody know that AI, because everybody talking about it. They know they in it. And they making moves. Even if you're just an Apple person, you know what? I don't know the stock market. I don't like none of these charts and graphs and stuff. I just know I like Apple. I know I like this. I know I like that. That's investing. You know what you like. You know if you like it, you might not be the only one. So it's other folks that's buy it. Therefore, it's a company. Therefore, that company has to make money. And the way that company makes money is by getting more money to make money. When you get more money to make money, you make more money. So they take a little bit, 10, 20, 50, $100, everybody. You get a couple of thousand, millions of people give you that money. Now you can make big moves. Now you can open up that new facility. Now you can decrease the price of your product, which will increase the outcome of your profits, of your investment. Come on, man, what y'all doing? It's simple math and simple education. Buy low, sell high, get that money. The Bitcoin is up here. It's going to be the digital currency. It ain't funny what you're doing if you're not investing that money. Oh, what money coach got bars. I ain't trying to go nowhere up but to the stars with Bitcoin right up there. That's what I'm doing. I'm enjoying myself investing, loving this. Do you think the run might, do you think that run right now is a bull trap? Let me see that 42. I don't know. She hit that bubble, that 42K. She might try to trap some. I don't think so. At least not now. I don't think so. Never financial advice. So I want you to know that. Just in case she do come back and get the crime back to that 39,000. She can drop down to 36. Bitcoin can drop down to 20,000, 24. She can hit 18,000. And she hit 18,000. I'm selling everything I got. I be broke. I will decrease whatever I got. I go back to working and do whatever I gotta do and put all my money in Bitcoin, and she dropped down that low. And I'm just gonna just ride it out. And best believe she get back up way past up here, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be Gucci. Okay? That's how you do it. You know, you get it in, you get it out. And you do it again. And again and again. And you learn new ways. So many ways. I am in America, and the election is coming. Man, the election, is rough. And it's crazy because we don't know where it's going. Even in America, we don't know where it's going. The Republicans ain't act like they got no balls. They ain't put nobody out there. She ain't gonna make it. Not against Trump. And Biden, if he even, no jokes, but if he live long enough to the election thing, he ain't gonna make it either. He done killed the votes, the young voters. He done killed all them. He done crushed that student loan. They paying them payments back now, so they ain't hearing Biden. He too old anyway. He can't walk. He can't talk no more. And then you got Trump. I don't know. It's crazy. The stock market don't even know. That's why That's why I be doing what it's doing now. Like, man, we don't know who the president gonna be, what they gonna do. Is it gonna be infrastructure, or we gonna be trying to kick out all the immigrants and try to make those moves? I will say if Trump get in there, Trump make money moves. What I think about him and the other thing is personal, but he do make money moves. He got some cojones. He'll drop some bombs on something. And he'll protect the United States. Right now, we looking like we need. I need to go grab my bulletproof vest and get the guns because it's rough out there, boy. Them rackets out there is having little problems out there. We got actually like a world war situation going on, and so we need somebody gonna stand. We need somebody who's gonna be able to press that button, protect, and do what they gotta do, and get this money funded within the United States. She ain't gonna do it. She ain't gonna be able to. She ain't gonna make it past Trump. Ain't gonna, if you think she gonna gotta make it past Trump, oh well, okay. Good hope for you. But I guarantee you, she ain't gonna make it past Trump. And Biden ain't got to. I don't know, man. It's rough. That's why I'm getting to the money. I ain't got time to be focused on them. Once I know what they gonna do, then I make my maneuvers financially. But as far as the economy in the world, man, if you sitting here and you only base your life on what the new next president gonna be, then you a fool. Cause I have been there with no benefits and everything else, a veteran who served for this country, and I know there's a whole bunch of shake in the game, and I ain't going for the shake, and the shake can keep shaking the other way. But how you do that is if Biden do his thing, Biden want infrastructure, Biden want electric vehicles. He's pushing for all that. So if Biden do make a move and get in there, I want to put my money in EV, the infrastructure, metal. You know what I'm saying? Those type of things you got to look at towards the future. Trump get in there. I don't know. Depends on he done lost a lot of money paying that settlement money going on. So he gonna make some deals. Trump gonna make some deals. He gonna make some wheels. And I don't know. I'm gonna have to kind of watch closely with him. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how Trump doing a little shake. Trump do a little shake, but he put the shake into where the money at, back up there. He put the money into the stock market. Did you see DWAC? That DWAC was, oh my goodness. You see how that stock is pumping? That acquisition is pumping. I gotta get my phone set. I got to call options on DWAC. And oh my goodness, boy, it's crazy. But you gotta be careful with that one. That one, that's a maneuver stock. That DWAC, she gonna go up 10-15%. That she gonna bounce back, and then she gonna bounce back again. So that's why you gotta watch that. But I think Trump is pumping that DWAC, and he really gonna pump it now since he lost that $85 million settlement that he's still gonna try to fight. But he gonna have to pay that money up. So he gonna need some more funds. So he definitely gonna put some manipulation in that DWAC. He gonna get in there and talk about it. You see, he's already on what's that, Twitter or X or whatever his own platform is, saying, "Hey, look here, the stock ain't moving good enough. What y'all doing?" He told the Republicans and the good old boys and everybody who fuck with him, "Look here, my stock ain't motherfucking moving. What y'all doing? Pump the stock." What they do? They pump that stock. Man, come on, man. You don't see the manipulation in this game too. You gotta watch manipulation. It ain't all sweet peaches and creams and thinking what it seems. It's manipulation in this motherfucker. Please believe that. Look at Elon Musk. He'll pump Dogecoin like a mother. Look at he's a Dogecoin lover. And soon he had his money set to go up because he know once he pumped, he was ready to sell before he even finished pumping. That last pump, he was already sold. That's how they do it. That Dogecoin for that last pump, they already had their account sold. And then while they saying that, they laughing like, yeah, because everybody late to the game. You know how many millions of people came late to the game, tried to get in on it. That's what happened with AMC, GameStop, crypto. Even though you still got a little time for the crypto, but best believe, if you know and you think that the world's going to stay with that dollar bill, that paper money that we keep on printing out and keep on juicing the numbers and tweaking the numbers up, come on. The numbers is getting tweaked and juiced, and that's because it's paper money. You can burn it, and they do burn it, and they write the numbers down. If you burn $35 million a day, you think if you short on cash, you going to burn that $35 motherfucking million? No. I might burn 150,000. I'm keeping the rest. Facts. But what was on the paperwork 35 million was burnt. But if you have that currency, the United States currency, which other countries is already following suit, making the lead, leading the way. If you had digital currency, it's all transactional where you can see it. You can't say, hey, look here, man. The transactions didn't look right. You say you burned $35 million worth of Bitcoin, it ain't looking right. For an example. They ain't burning Bitcoin, but just it's easy to be tracked. That's why I don't believe all that whole it's used for nothing but illicit activity. How is the most technological, then let's just make that word up, technological cryptocurrency infrastructure digital where you can see all the transactions and found you see all them Bitcoin scammers, they catch them. They might not catch them right there in the net, but after they do and realize they go and find out, oh, that's that motherfucker right there. We see it. It came from over there. Let's go get that. And that's the place that all the shaky people was doing human trafficking and everything else. Come on, man. And you tell that to somebody else. That's the pump fake. That's that pump fake. I want you to fake like you go that way. I want you to not believe in Bitcoin just so I can add up more when the price can stay down a little bit more. I can add up a little bit more. Because when that thing hit up to 45, 50K, them fools who done bought it before it was under 38, they going to cash out. They going to make that money. Oh, man, say it's a Yakuza trap. Hey, it's in there. It's only a trap if you get caught with the bag. If you get caught holding that bag, it's a trap. If you ain't get caught holding that bag, it ain't no trap. You gotta set your risk management in place, your procedures and everything else. But I'm passing up on the date night out here because the Bitcoin was looking beautiful. What's going on with IG? I can't get Instagram. Instagram just don't like me for no reason. Maybe I don't be crazy enough on Instagram. But I'm about to wrap this up in a minute. And the more news, the crypto is going mainstream. I don't know. To me, that sound like that was some BS right there. I don't know. I don't really know what they were saying too much. It didn't seem right. To be fair, the crypto has defined expectations. Those five. Its price soared even though it was never clear what its value was. I can't be quiet on that one, okay? The father of modern finance recently said, unless it becomes a widely used medium of exchange, which I was just talking about, Bitcoin should eventually implode. The alternative is that I learned that the monetary theory about how currencies acquire value is meaningless. That means it doesn't even matter how it accumulates value. If 90 million folks say it's valuable, that motherfucker valuable. Now it's even more valuable. Because 90 million people going to tell 90 million people, and next thing you know, you got a billion people thinking it's valuable. Just like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, that shit ain't really, some of it is not worth shit. Some altcoins and main coins ain't worth shit. But if you put a lot of motherfuckers who think this not shit is the shit, and they say it's the shit, that shit gonna be a little more, worth a little bit more. That's exactly what it is. It's what you make it, and everybody didn't set their tone on the crypto and the Bitcoin. I know I have. I believe it's gonna be the future, the wave, and the currency for hopefully, I don't know how to live in the United States. It's a lot of haters, a lot of regulators, and a lot of old folks who can't do what they do. So I'm gonna leave it at that. So, but I might move to a different country. I need to get this Bitcoin money and this crypto money and just move to another country so I can just work for Bitcoin. That's all I want to do. I want to work for Bitcoin. Oh man, I'm gonna join the last of my. Oh man, look at that. That's just beautiful. That just beautiful. How can you just not love watching money? Even on the, I get back to the big screen. Even on the weekend, I mean, everybody sleeping. Everybody, oh, that's right. It's like 12, 1 o'clock at night. That's why nobody watching. Everybody at the club. They out drinking. They out partying. They out smoking. I'm watching the money. So, if you want to watch the money, invest in yourself, invest in your learning, invest in your skills. You can practice, you can trade, you can learn. So many different ways. Read books, questionnaires, all kind of stuff. I ain't started no courses. I can't even get nobody to even pretty much comment besides one or two few people who support at the time. But in that, if I make a video about some ghetto drama, I got millions of views and millions of likes and everything. But when I talk about how to make money or watch a Bitcoin, shit get funny. But it is what it is. Bitcoin gonna do its thing, and she doing her thing. Passing that 42.5, looking at 42.8 tonight, early morning, 8 a.m. on a Sunday. Oh, she get like the Super Bowl Sunday. You know, it's a Super Bowl Sunday feel with the crypto investor. Options trading is my game. I love crypto, but I'm an options trader, investor, entrepreneur, motivator. Please get into the stock market, the crypto game. Get you something, do something with yourself. Don't just sit back. And if you're in the game, like my man Marvay 2.2, you do what it do. Keep investing, keep making that money, keep rolling it, and getting it and flipping like it ain't nothing, brother or sister. I hope I don't disrespect. I don't know who. I just only see a sign. I can't tell if that Marvay 2.2, you know, I can't tell which way you might go. I don't know. So, but I'm just having fun, enjoying it, and loving this crypto night, man. Y'all do y'all thing, man. I'm gonna I'm gonna get the videos up. I don't get no enough support for the videos that I should. That's why I don't put my much effort. I said I was gonna just go live and just talk my shit and just say what it is. But you know, I don't know how to motivate people. I only motivate people when I talk about ghetto stuff. So I don't know. I can't do it no more. I'm trying not to. YouTube is encouraging. YouTube let me know, hey, we don't like your stock market investing in videos, crypto videos. But them videos about that drama, go get it, man. Maybe some more. I don't want to keep passing on negativity. It's enough negativity in the world everywhere. Man, pass on blessings. Be blessed to yourself. Love somebody. Share some wealth. Give somebody a hug. Tell them thank you. Appreciate it. Too much negativity out there. Ever since COVID, boy, everybody going ham in the negativity. But this Bitcoin is the positivity in life for me for the digital currency, which I believe is going to be. And y'all be blessed. I don't even want to leave the live stream. I'm still watching the Bitcoin, like, you know what I'm saying? Just watch it forever until that money hit the feather. But it ain't going to keep going that way. That's not an investor. It's going to go that way. She going to come and bounce back down a little bit, cool off. And hopefully she keep on doing what she doing until Monday, until next year. Really, right now I'm on the short term. I think I got call options, so I'm waiting on next week. But I need her to keep doing her thing for next week at least. Because she going to bounce back. She might bounce back under 36. She might make a crazy move. 36,000 ain't nothing. So don't be alarmed. The old man, she right here, 42,000. And this is what folks fuck up at right here. That's where now they see the live stream. They see everybody talking about it, Bitcoin, and just popped on up there. Not even to get the account, not even to buy it, not even to put 5,000 on the Bitcoin. And when it's up here, and then when that motherfucker go back down to 36, they're going to be crying. Then they're going to sell. Then you lost your money. And she going to go right back up. She going to go right back up. It might not be within the 11 days, you know what I'm saying, or that time, but she going to do what she do. And then you'd have been mad. Then man, I ain't mess with none of that stuff. That's what a lot of folks do. Don't get discouraged. That's why you learn first. You take baby steps. It's a lot of things that you can, like Robinhood. Robinhood got the, where you can do the play in like you trading options, look at it or something. What was the other? Thinkorswim got where you can do it too. Even Webull. That's how I first learned. When I was on Webull, I was buying. That's how I got into GameStop when I was on Webull. like, oh man, you know what? I'm gonna practice. I buy games. I used to buy games for GameStop. And I just bought a whole bunch of GameStop on my little Weeble plan. I wish it was real because at that time I would have been, well, I'd have been good because GameStop was about 10, 11, $12, I think then. And she went to the rockers. Boy, oh my goodness, it's a blessing. Y'all be blessed. Appreciate the support. Bitcoin, it's only up a little 1%, but she's looking nice. Look up her handle. I'm doing my thing. I'm gonna get the options trading updates. NVIDIA, lovely. Hunt 8, still in it. And what else I got? Oh, DWAC. I don't know. That DWAC. I made the money with DWAC, and I went back in. I got greedy. I ain't gonna lie. That one, that's why, you gotta keep working. I'm working on myself too. I got greedy, and I still went back in on the DWAC when I should have just took my money and ran and said, shut the fuck up. But I went back in the DWAC. But I give y'all an update on that, whether it's a good one or bad. This year, it is what it is, and I don't care who watching, who support it. You get in the game or not, or you can stay broke. Entrepreneurship, motivation, the money coach. I'm up out of here. Love y'all. Be blessed to invest in yourself. Do something. Please do something. Get the money, invest the money, put the money to the kids, get them a custodial account, get them some money while they still young, so when they become 18 years old, they can become bosses. They can buy their own damn building, their own business, something, versus sitting at the crib looking at you like, man, you give me some money? No, do something. Let's change the game up. I'm up out of here. Crypto is doing this thing. Lessons.